Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to stop background battery usage on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So if you want to stop background battery usage on Android, all you have to do is to select or look for that specific application, for example, Snapchat, tap on app info, scroll down and tap on battery usage, click this one. Now, in the battery usage section, you should see the following here, including allow background activity. You should make sure that this one is restricted. So toggle this one off and then restrict this one. This is one of the few ways on how to simply stop background battery usage on Android to a specific application. So you can do this to all applications that you want to restrict. Another method is that you can go to your phone settings, tap on battery, and then here you have to simply scroll down and look for phone battery usage. So to disable background battery usage for a specific application on your Android phone, all you have to do is to click that specific application and then you have to restrict this one. So stops background activity entirely once you have restricted this application. So tap the application from the usage list, then set battery usage to restricted. You can also force tap an application, but this one is optional. You can turn it on and let your phone automatically reduce background use for rarely used application. And that is how easy it is to stop background battery usage on Android.